Hey everyone, this video is going to be about using the high-speed internet package on Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. Right now we're on the Harmony of the Seas, and they've got two packages to choose from. And that's what it looks like. It's called VOOM. And the cheaper one is going to be great for checking email. And what we have here is the surf and stream package. These are the prices per day per device. So just figure out which one's going to be better for you. But the surf and stream is going to be better for watching YouTube, uploading to social media, or using your voice over IP app. And if you book this in advance, you're going to get a letter in your stateroom with an access code. And with that, you're going to go into settings and Wi-Fi, and you're going to look for the royal-wifi network. Once you connect to that, you're going to get out of this, and of course make sure the phone is also in airplane mode. From there, you're going to go to your Safari and type in login.com. It's pretty simple, just login.com. This is the screen you're going to see, and you're going to push the middle button, use an access code. It'll take you to this screen. Enter your access code, check off the box and hit login, and a few seconds later you'll be connected to the internet, and there you have it. Take me to the web. In this case, we're already logged in, so I'll show you the App Store, and you can see things are loading already, and we can come here and there you have it. Internet works, and the pictures are loading, so that's cool. So hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and check out my next video on how to hotspot off a travel router while you're at sea. Okay, bye now.